Hey, it's Carolyn here with the Whipple Group. Have you ever wondered the true cost of home ownership? I'm going to help break it down for you here. Property taxes rise with your home's value. They're typically bundled into your monthly mortgage, but make sure not to forget them when you're budgeting. You're also going to want to protect your home and your investment by having homeowners insurance. It's required when you have a loan, but either way, we strongly recommend it. So make sure to save enough for utility bills each month, from water to electricity. All of those are going to get charged to you each month, and you want to make sure that you've allotted enough. Sometimes the previous homeowner will be able to help give you information about what they were paying to help you a little bit anticipate what you're going to be spending. Depending on the property, HOA monthly costs are also a line item you may want to factor in. So if you're in a condominium or in an area where HOA is present, you want to make sure that you're saving enough for that. And of course, there's maintenance on your property. So whether it's monthly maintenance you want to do or just annual maintenance, replacing appliances, as any homeowner will tell you, there are a lot of unknown costs that come into homeownership, and sometimes you do miss your landlord. But overall, obviously, all these costs are very much outweighed by how happy you are in your home. Thinking about making a real estate move soon? Reach out to me. I'd love to help. And remember, maintenance can also include seasonal home decor, like this cute pillow, and you don't have to consult your husband about it.